Hello everyone, today we show you the Toyota upgrade solution of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. This is an original car video from 2017 Toyota Highlander. The factory stereo function is very simple, only have Bluetooth connection, phone call, audio, and settings. It's very inconvenient to use. Today we give this car unit a new life, which brings wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for it. When the box has been connected to the car, just click aux to enter the box interface. You can see the wireless CarPlay already connected. The factory touchscreen is still available in this screen. Here you can see the incoming calls and you can make calls from here. After getting CarPlay, navigation can be easier. Click search to search for nearby gas station or parking, or just voice control. You can see we also can control the volume in the CarPlay. Long press here or Hey Siri to active. Mirroring function is also supported by this box. You can watch videos from phones. We can connect wireless CarPlay. Of course, wireless Android Auto is also able to use. Will it hard to get these amazing functions? No. The installation process is also very simple. Just plug in the harnesses together. Unplug these three jacks from the original car video and connect our cable to it. After that, plug back the factory cable. Make sure the connection is well, then we can power on. Here is the compatible car model list. Pause and check it. That's all for today. Thank you for your watching.